Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with actually a couple weeks haul, and I haven't had a chance to show them, but I'm just gonna show in. Some of it's from my sister and some is mine. So these I already own. I already have these. These was picked up for somebody else. This is not for me. I already did a big haul on the Illustrated Faith, so this is for someone else. But I'll go ahead and show it in the video in case someone wants to see the number. They're bringing these back out again. This is the lady stickers for $1.19, and this is 214-6956. 214-6958. Sorry about the lighting. And 214-6955. Again, Michaels has those on clearance as well. 214-6957 if you can still find them. And then the last basic cardstock is 214-6954. Like I said, those have been in and out before. This is the premium crease pad. Oh, can't read. This is, I read now, the wrong piece. This is the Biggs Die, the coffee cup sleeve. This has been out for a little bit. And it's $8.99. 211-6082. I showed this a while back. And I had picked this up for someone. I already have a coffee sleeve die. And the Sizzix number is 662777. I already have this, but that was for the same person. I did pick this up on clearance. They had these, they were $2.49, but they had these at the store marked down 40%. So, and they have some just came back in. So, you got to check the stickers on. But this one is 210-9858, and this one is 210-9859. So the black is 8 and the red is 9. Because it came with the bobbins and the nice red. I did pick up this whimsical ephemera pack, which I think I already have, but it's 212-2405 for $1.99, and those are the pieces on the back. And then they had this recollection. It just says die cuts for $1. I'm not sure what they all are, but it looks nautical in nature for 99 cents. 2085636. And they are you float my boat, row your boat. It got an anchor, Polaroids, banners. So these what do you call them? What's the paper is made out of? Lord, acetate, not acetate. Vellum, same thing. So just a little mixture, but they had that for $1 if you want some little cheap way to get some ephemera. I did pick up these, the Spectrum Noir's sparkle glitter brush pens, which is basically like your Wink of Stella. So this is a 3-piece for $6.99, and it's 208-4926. This is the vintage home, so those are the 3 colors. It's like a purple, blue, and a pink. It says Boudoir, Tocador, Peacock Blue, and Hearthside. So those are the colors. And then this one is 208-4924, and it's vintage tea, and the colors is biscuit, macaroon, and teacup. I like the names they came up with. And then this one is Shades of Spring, 208-4922, and it's pink champagne, moonlight, and soft jade. I did get this die. This is Crafter's Companion die, and it is called Decadent Decor. And it's a 2-piece set, and you can kind of cut into the page like that, or cut out, depending on how you want to do that. If you want to use that edge die, or cut in, leave it in it like an insert into the page. And that's 212-4931. Quite a few of those. They had a lot of the Kelly stamps. This is Greetings from Los Angeles, Hollywood, California Girl, City of Angels, and Tacos, and you know, the buildings, Interstate 405, and all that kind of stuff. It's $3.99. 213-8126. Family there. And these, so my sister, these two from me for $1.99. And these are the 6x8 hole punched sleeves, 10 packs each, and it is 211-0075. And this one's for my sister, and this is 212-3900, and this is the Maze by Seth Apter. And I've shown some of the dies that she's gotten, he had in the past with the spellbinders, and I already had these, but she wanted to get her one, which I think is pretty cool. The flip frames by Tim Holtz. I have, I think, 2 or 3 different ones that he has, but this one was only $4.99, and it was 210-9574. So you can hang with this plastic sleeves, or just hang a project cardstock or paper from there and decorate it, just, you know, however you want to do it. And then this also was one with the easel stand, because she does have some table easels, or you can use it with a frame, and it's 210-9560 for $4.99. So that's what that is. And then this pad of paper. And Susan, if you're watching, I was showing her that you had got this, and then she wanted it because she liked the metallic colors, which has been out for a little bit, but this time she saw it, she wanted it to go along with some of her mixed media stuff. 212-7426, and that was $6.99. And then last but not least, I also went to Hobby Lobby while I was out of town, and I just got the 50% off the basic A2 envelopes, because it's always good to have some of those, because I get tired of making envelopes sometimes. And then these were 50% off the Paper Studio, of course, so they were $1.50. And this is just a list, the girls, what's the name of them? I forgot the names, but you know what I'm talking about. Them, the puffy girls, and then some of the accessories, you know. Boom. So that is my haul from TM, and that tiny bit from Hobby Lobby. Thanks for watching, and liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.